Hello everyone and welcome back to my video. In today's video, we are going to see how to modify the structure of a table. So in the previous video, we saw how to modify the data inside a table. So for that, we used the update command and the delete command to update the data inside the table. Today, we are going to change the structure of the table itself. By changing the structure, I mean how we can rename columns, change data types of a column, add new columns, or delete columns. Okay, so this is the table we have been working till now, that is the employee table. In our previous videos, we have created this table, inserted values in this table. So in case you want to check how to create a table, you can refer to my the SQL playlist on my channel. So let's start with today's video. I'll add a query. The first thing we are going to do today is to add a new column to my table. So this is the employee table. Now let's say I want to add their city. So I will say alter. So alter is a command that is used to uh, modify the structure of the table. So I'll say alter. What I need to alter is a table, then the table name. Okay, now I'm adding a column. So I'll say add column name, that is city. Okay, now the data type, that is varchar, and let's say it is of 25 characters, and that's all. Now let's execute this. So it says completed successfully. Now let's execute this command, the select command. Now I see that a city column is added to my table. Currently, all the values are null because I have not added any data. I have just modified the structure by adding a column. Okay, so now after a while, I see that these number of characters are very few for my city, and there are some cities with a huge name. So I want to edit the number of characters. So let's say I want to increase my characters from 25 to, let's say, 50. So how to modify the data type? So I'll create a new query. I'll say alter table employee alter column city to varchar 50. Okay, now let's execute this. This is successfully executed. So you won't see any change in this table because it won't show you the data type, but let's execute this again. So it runs fine. So but you have changed the number of characters for city from 25 to 50. So this is how you change the data type of a existing column in a table. Now let's say I want to remove this column city. I no longer want city in my table. So how to remove this column? So we'll add a new query and say alter table employee. Now what are we doing? We are removing a column. So we'll say drop. Drop is the keyword that is used to remove a column. Drop, what to drop? A column. And what is the name? Which column to drop? That is the city. So that's all we have to write. I'll say execute. Executed successfully. Now I'll execute my table. Where is my table? Okay, here is my table. I will execute this. Now I see that the city is removed. So in today's video, we saw how to modify the structure of a table from adding a column, removing a column, and also modifying the data type of a column in a table. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we will start with a very simple topic: how to sort data, how to sort rows, and how to view distinct rows from a table. Suppose in my table I have duplicate entries. I don't want to see that duplicate entries in my output. So how I will view only the distinct, that is unique rows, and how to sort my rows according to a particular column. So that's all for today's video, and before I end my video, I would like to share one thing. that a lot of people are watching my videos, but most of the people are not subscribing my channel. As you can see, only 1.9%, that is around 2% people have subscribed, while 98% have not subscribed. So many people watch my videos but they don't subscribe. So please, I will request you to subscribe to my channel. This will give growth to my channel. So I hope you all have a good day. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.